Hi everyone, it's Miss Taimi from the Ocean City Public Library. Today I wanted to share PebbleGo with you, which is one of our online databases for children. So PebbleGo is a capstone digital database designed for children in preschool through 3rd grade. It contains all nonfiction material and is presented in a manner especially designed for beginning readers and researchers. So to access PebbleGo, you want to start at our website, oceancitylibrary.org. From here, click on Visit and Children, which takes you to our Children's page, and then scroll all the way down on the bottom to where our online resources for children are located. So if you click on PebbleGo, this takes you directly to this resource. And once you're in PebbleGo, you can see that it is organized into 5 main categories, and you're able to browse topics in either English or Spanish. So we can browse animals, science, biographies, social studies, or health. Let's click on health. You see we have a menu of subtopics. Let's click on nutrition and see what articles are available under food groups. Okay, let's find out more about vegetables today. So once you're taken to an article, you have the option of listening to the text, and you'll see when I click this that the words are highlighted as they are read, which is especially helpful for young readers.
Vegetables are parts of plants. They are colorful.
PebbleGo also highlights vocabulary words, which we can see here, and if I click on this vocab word, it takes me directly to the glossary, and again I can click the audio to have the definition read out loud.
Energy. The ability to do work.
So you can also see there are different tabs under vegetables,
Vitamins.
which take me to pages with more information.
Protein.
There's also a Read More tab, which shows related articles that I might find interesting. So on the bottom of the page here,
vegetables?
You'll see that there are also additional features. If I click on Cite, PebbleGo shares the correct citation for this particular article. Clicking on Article allows me to download and actually print the article if I need it later. If I click on Activities here, this takes me to a few different activity ideas, and these also can be printed. And then this particular article has a video attached, so if I click on this, I see there's a short clip with a family preparing vegetables. So you can also see PebbleGo offers a search box, so I can enter a specific search term. Let's see if there are any articles on otters. And let's check out sea otters. So this takes me directly to the article pertaining to sea otters, and if you look at the bottom of the page, you can see that in addition to the features that I just showed you previously, we can also listen to some sea otters. And if I click on range, I can see where sea otters can be found in the world. Okay, going back to PebbleGo's main page, I want to show you one more feature, which is the games that are available on PebbleGo. So within each of the 5 main topics, there are related games and activities within that specific category. For example, if we click on Social Studies, you will see there's that Games tab at the bottom of the page. And if we click on this, we are taken to a menu of different activities and games, all of which are related to social studies. So, PebbleGo is a great resource which allows young children to search and explore content that is especially designed for them. Have fun!